And it's Morning Garden again. Going to get on here and show you how to save a little money at the big box stores. So when you come out to big box stores, you see plants like this that are on the racks, a little bit of brown in them due to the lack of water, lack of food. You can go to someone here, hopefully the manager, and get these talked down. And they'll be ready to get rid of them so they get a good price on them. Same thing with these here. You see these here, lack of water. Some of them got to check real good, make sure they're not diseased. Go back here. Let me show you something here. If I was into beautiful flowers, which I'm not, I'm into just food, plants. See this right here on the rack? See a little bit of green in there? I would get that probably for maybe $1. They normally sold for $10. All right, so that's $10. I'll get this one here, and I will get this one here. And when I get these, take them home, compost, a little bit of food, come right back. Go over here, save some money. Got some busted bags over here. Bring them over here. Let them talk to you. See that bag's busted. That one's busted. Um, you get a deal on it. Even though they're already giving you a break on some of it. You got busted bags here. You got bags like this here. Bags like that, topsoil. If you need to fill up some holes in the yard. I use it for planting up my potters. You got to know what you're doing, though, with it in order to do that. It's not a big deal, but you can get it done. See this right here? This is ground up pallets. So don't ever put this down and think it's going to be fertilizing your trees and stuff. Because it's not. Because it's just grounded up pallets. Painted. Come over here. We got hardwood mulch. Again, saves up. Same thing. Find them with the holes in the bag. See that one up there on top with the holes in the bag. And you just go to the manager and see if he can give you a break on it. 9 times out of 10, he'll try to do something. Because you don't want the old bag sitting there looking bad in the aisle. And most people want to come out and buy a bag that's not open. Me, I don't mind. I'll get it. Get a break on it. That's about all for now. So this is the Morning Garden Show. Not much going on in the other aisle, so I'm going to um, take you right up here. See if they got any sales on anything. Because I'm telling you, you just got to know what to look for. And I found this knife right here. I really want it. Okay, let me show you something. But I found this one in the aisle. Same thing. Out of its packaging. So I'm walking around with it. I'm going to see can I get the manager to give me a break on it. Because this is $20 knife right now. The way everything's all sky high. It's exactly the same knife. It's just not in its packaging. And that's it. Morning Garden Show.